Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with monday.com for AI reporting automations, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with monday.com for AI reporting automations, begin by navigating to the monday.com website. Log into your monday.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Click on the profile icon to access the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Admin. In the Admin settings, find the section labeled API. Here, you will see the option to generate your API token. Click on Generate to create a new API token. Make sure to copy the token immediately, as it will not be displayed again. Keep this token secure, as it grants access to your monday.com data. Next, open the platform where you intend to utilize the AI reporting automations. If you are using a third-party tool or script, look for the authentication settings. Paste the API token into the designated field for authentication. Follow any additional prompts specific to the platform you are using. Once you input the API token, confirm the connection. Now, it's time to set up your automations using monday.com data. Start by defining the reports you wish to create with AI. Set parameters for the data you want to pull from monday.com boards. Configure the necessary filters to refine the data selection. After configuring, run a test to ensure the connection works as expected. Check for any error messages during the testing phase. If successful, your AI reporting automations can now access monday.com data. Review the output to ensure it meets your reporting requirements. Adjust your settings as necessary for optimal results. Your authentication and setup steps for AI reporting are now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.